Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert a signature image in Microsoft Word quickly and professionally. Adding a signature image is essential for official letters, business documents, contracts, application, invoice, and academic submission. Many users paste a signature image incorrectly, causing alignment issue, resizing problems, or poor document appearance. In this video, we will discover correct and reliable methods to insert, resize, and position a signature image while keeping your document clean and professional. So let's get started. We can see here a assignment on my college. Now I added a signature to the last page here. Now I want to add the signature image here. Go to the insert menu because this is a image. Now I am click picture option, then choose picture from our file. We can see here the signature image. Now I am insert it, then select the image, go to the format menu, click wrap text option, choose in front of text. Here the signature. Now I am move it. You can't do this wrap text, this image is not move. Obviously selected the image and show this format option. Now I resize the signature and paste on the last of this page. Then go to the format menu and we can see here the bring font or backward. Obviously you make this bring font. Now we can see we added the signature image easily. You can print this assignment, otherwise you can submit on your college. This look like good. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.